everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to kebabs, Galouti Kebab is one of my all-time favorites. Now there's a lot of process that goes into making these delicious Galouti Kebabs, and today I'm going to share an incredibly tasty mushroom Galouti Kebab recipe. Let's get started and check it out. For more exciting and tasty mushroom recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. To the kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. So we're going to saute all the ingredients that go into making the Galouti Kebab. To the kadai, add 2 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. Next I'm adding 7 large cloves of garlic, a large piece of ginger roughly chopped, and about 11 to 12 cashew nuts. So you need to saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. Now I know there are different ways of making this Galouti Kebab. So the Galouti Kebab that I'm making today is my version. It's a very simple and quick way to make it. So once the onions have turned to a lovely golden brown color, I'm adding the mushrooms. Now for this recipe I've taken 400 grams of mushrooms and I've cut them into half. Make sure to wash the mushrooms well, clean them nicely. There shouldn't be any dirt. Wash it a few times and cut them into half. You can also cut them into smaller pieces if you like. Make sure the mushrooms are nice and fresh. So after 5 minutes, the mushrooms are beginning to release some moisture. At this point, I'm going to add all the spice powders. Starting with a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Just mix everything in. So this way the mushrooms will absorb all those beautiful masala flavors and your Galouti Kebabs will taste so yummy. Cook the mixture on high flame till all that excess moisture is evaporated. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated and the mushroom mixture looks fantastic. Turn off the stove and cool the ingredients completely. I've transferred the cooled mushroom mixture into the mixer jar. So I'm just going to grind it without adding any water. So you can see the mixture is ground to a lovely paste consistency. So this is what we want. I've not added any water to it. When and where is the first time you tried Galouti Kebabs? Let me know in the comment section. Next, to the kadai, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Keeping the flame on low, just transfer the mushroom paste into the kadai. Look at that, it looks so gorgeous, so smooth and creamy. Cook this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it's absorbed all that beautiful ghee. To this, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and about half teaspoon of salt. Just mix it together. Well, the aroma is just fabulous. So for this recipe I've taken 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. I'm going to add that. So just add half first, mix that in, then we will add the other half. So we're going to gradually cook this. Add the remaining besan and mix everything together. So we're going to continue to cook this. I'm just going to add another teaspoon of ghee. There will be a gradual color change as the mixture is becoming a bit dry. So our Galouti mixture is done. You can see it's come to a lovely doughy consistency. So this is what you're looking for. Transfer this to a plate and let's start making the Galoutis. So the mixture has come to room temperature. Just gently mixing it all together again. Just dabbing a little ghee on my palms. Take a small portion of the mixture and just shape it into small size tikkis. Now the tikkis are all ready. Now we need to fry them. To the pan, I'm just adding a little ghee, just adding 2 teaspoons. Just gently spread it across the pan. Maintain the flame on a medium. Place the prepared tikkis. Fry the tikkis on medium flame. Once you've cooked it on one side, gently flip it to the other side. So you can cook them till they've turned to a lovely golden brown color. Look at that rich color on the tikkis. Be careful while flipping them. Once they are done, remove from the pan and you can serve them nice and hot. You can enjoy these delicious mushroom Galouti Kebabs as is with some nice fresh coriander mint chutney. So I've already prepared a few rotis for the kebabs. Let's assemble the Galouti Kebab. Place the roti on the plate. Place the prepared Galouti Kebab on the roti. Add a spoonful of that fresh coriander mint chutney and gently place the sliced onions. And there you have it, your delicious Galouti Kebab. Serve it immediately and enjoy. So I'm going to enjoy my Galouti Kebab. Just smash that onto the roti, just gently spread it across. Fold that roti and enjoy. There you go. I've taken a big mouthful of the kebab. Oh wow. The kebab is so soft and so nice. It's literally melting in my mouth. Incredible flavors, guys. I'm sure you're all very tempted to try this recipe. Well, don't waste any time. Just go and try it. The combination of that kebab, mint chutney, crunchy onions and of course the roti. Perfect. Well, this is a great dish that you can make for any special occasions, get-togethers, parties, and you can surprise your family and friends. I'm sure they'll all love it. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Enjoy and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homecookingshow.in website.